Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The given equation ax square positive 98x positive c equals to 0 has at least one real root and a factor of kx positive j. What is the greatest possible value of AC? Okay, let's consider a quadratic equation in standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in standard form, and for any quadratic equation, the maximum number of real roots will be 2. Some quadratic equations will have only one real root, and some of them will not have any real root. Okay, if a quadratic equation standard form has at least one real root, then the value of the discriminant of b square into 4ac must be greater than or equal to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation and it is in standard form, because the quadratic equation over here is exactly in this form. And since the given quadratic equation has at least one real root, the value of this discriminant b square into 4ac for the given equation also will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now let's get this stuff b square into 4ac for the given quadratic equation. Here b is the coefficient of x. In the given quadratic equation, the coefficient of x is 98. Then we get 98 square. Negative 4 times a is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is also the same a, and c is a constant term over here. And here also we have the same constant term c. So this is a discriminant for the given quadratic equation. And since the equation has at least one real root, the value of this discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now let's evaluate the value of this 98 square. The value of this 98 square is 9604. Negative 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now let me subtract 9604 from both sides of this inequality. Okay, let me do it. That is negative 9604 and here negative 9604. Okay, now this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting negative 4ac greater than or equal to, when I combine this 0 and this one, I am getting negative 9604. Let me divide both sides of this inequality by negative 4. That is negative 4ac by negative 4 and negative 9604 by negative 4. Whenever I multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by the same negative number, I have to flip the inequality sign. So here it's greater than or equal to. When I flip it over, it will become less than or equal to. Here negative 4 will cancel out. I am getting AC on the left side less than or equal to. This negative will cancel out. When I divide 9604 by 4, I am getting 2401. Okay, here we got the value of AC. That is, the value of AC can be 2401, or the value of AC has to be less than 2401. So the greatest possible value of AC is 2401. And also, some students may get confused with the information we have over here. That is, the given equation as a factor of kx positive j. Actually, we have nothing to do with this information. Without using this information, we are able to answer the question. That is the greatest possible value of AC. That is 2401.